Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial and cover is a fantastic song from the legendary Queen. The song is called Crazy Little Thing Called Love, and it was written by Freddie Mercury. Crazy Little Thing Called Love peaked at #1 on the Billboard Hot 100 in 1980, and coincidentally, it became Queen's first #1 single in the United States. Now, before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes, you'll find my music there. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at the chords that you're going to need to know first, and then we'll perform an acoustic lounge version of this great song. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progression. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great Queen song, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Okay, in order to get all the way through this great song, you're going to need to know 7 chords. Let's have a look at them now. The first one is a D. You're going to need to know a D sus4. There's a G major chord. Now I use a C add 9. But if you prefer, you can also use the standard C chord. Both work for this song, whatever you're most comfortable playing. There is also an E. There's an A. And then there's a bar chord. It's called a B flat. That's it. Those 7 chords are going to get you all the way through this great song. Let's get to the cover.
This thing called love, and I just can't handle it. This thing called love, and I might get around to it. I ain't ready. Crazy little thing called love. Well, this thing called love, it cries in the cradle all night. It swings, it jives, shakes all over like a jellyfish, kind of like crazy little thing called love. There goes my baby. She knows how to rock and roll, drives me crazy. Hot cold feeling leaves me in a cuckoo sweat. Take a backseat, hitchhike, take a long ride on the motorbike until I'm ready. Crazy little thing called love. I gotta be cool, relax, get hip and get on my track. Take a backseat, hitchhike, and take a long ride on my motorbike until I'm ready. Crazy little thing called love. This thing called love, and I just can't handle it. This thing called love, and I might get around to it. I ain't ready. Crazy little thing called love. Crazy little thing called love. Crazy little thing called love.
Okay, let's have a close look at the chord progressions. We're going to break this into a few different parts. We'll look first at the verses, then we'll have a look at the chorus. We'll have a closer look at the kind of bridge or break in it where there's normally a solo, a guitar solo. And then we'll finish it off with a closer look at how to play that rundown that they do in this particular song. With that said, let's get to the verse. Okay, for a song that's not even 3 minutes long, there's a lot going on in it. The chord changes come at you fairly quickly. The song stops in a few points. And then there's a walk down. Just overall, a lot going on. Some of the challenges that you're going to have is trying to get the B flat bar chord down. It's not an easy chord, so if you're a beginner, that's where you're going to have to spend a lot of your time on, is mastering that B flat bar chord. And of course, the most recognizable part of this song is that variation to the D chord in the D sus4. As soon as somebody starts playing that, you know what this song is all about. So that'll take a little bit of practice as well. The whole... And then to get that rhythm is very, very crucial. I also want to show you a little trick that I do in this song that I find makes it a little bit easier to play. In the verse, the chord progression calls for a B flat to a C. Just a little quick variation. If you're comfortable doing that, by all means stick with that. But here's something that might help you as well. While you hit the B flat bar chord, you can keep that same finger pattern and simply move it up to the 3rd fret. Same as a C chord. So you might find that a little bit easier to play. With that said, let's look at the chord progression to the verse. Song basically starts on the D chord. Here we go. This thing called love, and I just can't handle it. This thing called love, and I must get around to it. I ain't ready. Crazy little thing called love. There you go. Very, very easy. That repeats in that same chord progression for all of the verses. Let's have a look at the chorus. The chorus basically starts on the G major chord. Here we go. There goes my baby. She knows how to rock and roll. She drives me crazy. Gives me hot cold fever. Leaves me in a cuckoo sweat. That's it. Really, really simple. Let's have a look now at that bridge where the solo, the lead guitar solo, would normally come in. Okay, the bridge where a solo, guitar solo would normally come in. Obviously no lyrics. Basically it starts on the B flat. Here we go. It's really that simple. Finally, let's have a look at that walk down. All right, that comes at you fairly quickly. It will take just a little bit of time to learn, but I know you'll be able to figure it out. Basically, it starts on the 5th string, 5th 5th fret, 5th string being the A string, then to the 4, to the 3, then jump down to the 6th string, the E string, same place, 5th fret, 4, 3. Sounds something like this. From there, an E chord. To the A, the open A string, 5th string, the 3rd fret of the 6th string, 2, and then the open E string of the 6th string. I know that could be a little challenging, but either way, it sounds something like this. We'll slow it down. And that's it. Practice it a few times. I know you'll get it down. There you have it, Queen's crazy little thing called love. Thank you for tuning in to my acoustic lounge. Again, my name is Troy Hawes. If you like my guitar tutorials and covers, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.